Your home's doors serve as the first line of defense against the elements, burglars, and unwanted noise. Over time, however, even the best doors can deteriorate due to wear and tear, weather conditions, or outdated materials. If you live in Washington, where the climate varies from chilly winters to warm summers, replacing your residential doors can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, security, aesthetics, and value. Whether you're looking to replace an old, drafty door or simply want to update your home's appearance, residential door replacement is a smart investment that brings both immediate and long-term benefits. Enhanced energy efficiency. In Washington, the climate can be quite unpredictable, with heavy rainfall in the winter and hot, humid weather in the summer. Old or poorly sealed doors can lead to significant energy loss, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This results in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. Proper sealing. New doors come with better seals and weather stripping, which prevent drafts and air leaks. This helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the need for your air conditioner or heater to work overtime. Energy-efficient materials. Today's residential doors are often made with advanced, energy-efficient materials, such as insulated cores and double-glazed glass. These features help keep the warm air inside during the winter and prevent heat from entering during the summer. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, providing long-term savings on your utility bills. By replacing your outdated doors with energy-efficient options, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home and lower monthly energy bills. Improved home security. Your doors play a crucial role in protecting your home from intruders. Old, weak, or poorly installed doors are one of the easiest points of entry for burglars. If your current doors are outdated or damaged, upgrading them is an essential step in improving your home's security. Stronger materials. Modern doors are built with stronger, more durable materials such as steel, fiberglass, and composite materials, which are harder to break through than traditional wooden doors. Upgrading to impact-resistant doors also adds an extra layer of protection against forced entry. Advanced locking systems. New doors often come with better locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks or smart locks, that make it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home. These modern security features offer greater peace of mind, especially for homeowners concerned about safety. By investing in residential door replacement, you can rest easy knowing that your home is better protected against break-ins and intrusions. Boosted curb appeal. The appearance of your front door significantly impacts your home's curb appeal, the first impression visitors and potential buyers get of your property. An outdated, worn-out door can make even the most beautiful home look neglected. Replacing your door is an easy and relatively inexpensive way to enhance your home's exterior and give it a fresh, modern look. Wide range of styles. From traditional wooden doors to sleek fiberglass or contemporary steel doors, modern doors come in a variety of materials and styles to complement any architectural design. Whether you prefer a rustic, classic style or a more modern, minimalistic look, there's a door that will perfectly match your home's aesthetic. Customizable features. Many door replacement options allow for customization with decorative glass, handles, and finishes, giving you full control over the look and feel of your entryway. This small upgrade can dramatically improve your home's overall curb appeal. By replacing your doors, you can increase the visual appeal of your home, which is especially beneficial if you plan to sell in the future. Increased home value. If you're thinking of selling your home, residential door replacement can offer a substantial return on investment. Potential buyers are always looking for homes that are well maintained and energy efficient. An updated, secure front door adds to the appeal of your property and shows that you've taken care of the home. First impressions matter. As the first thing visitors see when they approach your home, your front door sets the tone for the rest of the property. A well-chosen, stylish door can make a big difference in how buyers perceive your home. Energy savings appeal. Today's homebuyers are also looking for homes that are energy efficient. By installing energy-efficient doors, you can advertise your home's savings potential and appeal to buyers looking to reduce their energy costs. According to real estate experts, investing in door replacement can provide a high return on investment, ROI, by increasing the sale price and attractiveness of your home. Improved functionality. The older doors may become difficult to operate over time due to wear and tear. You may find that your door sticks, is difficult to open, or doesn't close properly. Not only can this be frustrating, but it can also lead to issues like drafts, moisture infiltration, or security concerns. Smooth operation. Modern doors are designed with precision and durability in mind, offering smooth opening and closing mechanisms. This makes them more functional, easier to use, and less prone to issues. Better insulation. Newer doors offer superior insulation, preventing moisture from seeping into your home. This can help keep your interior spaces dry and prevent damage from humidity or rain, important in the fluctuating weather conditions of Washington. Conclusion. Residential door replacement in Washington is a smart investment that offers numerous benefits, from improving your home's energy efficiency and security to boosting its curb appeal and value. Whether you're looking to make your home more comfortable, secure, or attractive, replacing old or worn-out doors is a simple upgrade that provides significant returns. With the right door materials and professional installation, you can enjoy a more efficient, stylish, and secure home for years to come.